Good Tuesday morning, and right now we are seeing the sun trying to break through the clouds here from our Fort Lauderdale camera, Broward County. Thanks to weather watcher Sandra K. Booth for sending in another gorgeous sunrise photo from Lauderdale by the sea. Wow, that is breathtaking. As we take a look at our Keys camera, not too bad, relatively quiet for now. Later on, showers and storms will be firing up just as we've seen the past few days. The radar again showing most of the action is offshore. Couple of showers moving in across the upper Keys, could be headed towards southern Dade County. Winds fairly calm or light, mid to upper 70s in Broward and Dade County, low 80s through the Keys. It's like Groundhog Day. We're waking up with similar temperatures, and we'll see a similar setup through the day, which means, yep, some storms later on. It's also quite stormy, stretching from the Carolinas through the Tennessee Valley and into the midsection of the country, as we have a frontal boundary there. And yes, a potential for severe storms, a slight risk of severe weather for parts of Texas and Oklahoma, Colorado, a marginal risk of severe storms from the central U.S. through parts of the Tennessee Valley. And for us, the light shading of green indicating scattered to numerous storms will be possible. The future tracker model showing that as soon as 7 a.m., 8 a.m., there could be some spotty showers and some more moderate rain falling across the Keys around 9 a.m. Look at what happens around 11 a.m. Yeah, heavy rain will be possible then, so there's only a small window of opportunity to do anything outside today, as we'll see those storms fire up around lunchtime into the middle of the day, the afternoon. Keep the umbrellas close by, and then it looks like the heaviest precipitation will be inland and on the west coast, which is our typical summer pattern. Into the evening and into dinner time, still could see some precipitation in spots indicated by this model here, and the heavy moisture value is not going anywhere, going to stay with us, keeping the rain chance high as we head throughout the next few days. Heavy downpours will be possible through Friday. We're watching an area here in the western Caribbean that is disorganized, but a low potential. It could develop as it moves across Central America, Yucatan, and into the southern Gulf of Mexico. And Hurricane Bud, a Category 4 in the eastern northern Pacific there off the coast of Mexico, could lead to some heavy rain and flooding there. For us today, we're talking 88 degrees. Steamy sunshine will then lead to storms moving on in, and a few of those storms could turn strong. For boaters, water spouts possible, winds out of the east, 10 knot, seas 1 to 2, a light chop on the bays, and a low risk of rip currents at the beach. The UV index very high. So of course that checklist continues: the sunblock, the mosquito repellent, and your rain gear today. For tonight, stray storms, mild and muggy, the upper 70s, and we're going to continue with about a 50 to 60% chance of rain through Friday. Hopefully for Father's Day, by Sunday, the rain chance will start to decrease a little bit, but still very warm and humid.